Many congratulations. This must be real sweet. You've been on the road for 2 months, and then to pull out a performance like this today, clinical, professional, bang on in everything.
Absolutely comprehensive, to be honest. This is what we demanded from the team, and in every individual, they stood up to the right occasion, and the feeling is ineffable. It's hard to express how we are feeling right now. I think the wait was so long. It was more than the match. But yeah, we played like invincibles throughout the season, and yeah, there's so much to cherish right now.
So as a captain, you've grown in stature, and the way you've marshaled your resources. I mean, even today, your bowling changes, they all did the trick. And when you see a scorecard where every one of your bowlers have taken wickets, must be pleasing.
Absolutely, it is pleasing, and the performance has been flawless throughout. I don't know. I'm running out of words right now. We've been tremendous right from game one, and when we stepped up today, I think all we demanded from ourselves was to back each other, no matter whatever the situation is. And game could have gone either way because they've been playing phenomenal cricket, SRH, throughout the season. And today, we were lucky enough to bowl first, and at the same time, every situation went in our favor. So thanks to SRH as well, the way they played throughout the season, and they've been simply phenomenal, and looking forward to play some more competitive cricket in the future.
Come the big day, come the big man. Mitchell Starc, last 2 games, bang on the money, wasn't he?
Yes, I mean, that's when all the big players stand up, right? It was a high-pressure game, and he has been so good off the field. He has never shown any sort of complacency in his work ethics. Every time we used to go for plunge pool, he used to be there, and he stepped up to the right occasion, and phenomenal work ethics, to be honest. Something to learn from for the youngsters and also other players in the team.
What's the telepathy between you and Andre Russell? Every time you throw him the ball, he does something.
Yeah, he's got that magic wand, which is hiding somewhere on the field. And he's looking forward to come and bowl and deliver for the team. He's waiting for me to call him all the time. And when I look at him, I know that he can look at me. So I just pass on the ball to him, and he has been lucky for us. Almost in majority of the games, whenever he's bowled, he's picked up the wicket, and he has given us that breakthrough.
Venkatesh Iyer, very good. Your 2 fast bowlers along with Starc, very, very good too.
Yeah, all of these guys, they stepped up at the right time, and they basically made it easy for us to go out there and finish off the game. And it's just about the mindset, the way these guys have been playing throughout. As I mentioned earlier, every individual has been stepping up at the right time. There is no individual performances that has took us to this position. But if you see, it has been a cumulative effort which has helped us to reach here so far. So, yeah. It has been a flawless season for us, and hopefully we continue the same the next year.
Many congratulations. The wait has been long enough. I'll let you go and collect the trophy.